Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can find and copy your OKX UID. Your OKX UID simply means your OKX user ID. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get it. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to open your OKX app. So guys, as you can see right here now, the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on exchange. You can see exchange there at the top. Make sure you tap on exchange. Then the next step now is to tap on the menu icon on the top left corner. You can see the menu icon right there. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on your profile image. You can see that profile icon right there where the arrow is pointing at it on the left hand side. So guys, what I will do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to look downwards. So you're going to see where it is written UID. Remember, I said UID stands for user ID. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. You can see the UID number right there. You can see your UID number right there. That's your OKX UID. So for you to copy the OKX UID, what you simply need to do is to tap on the copy icon just next to the UID right there. You can see the copy icon. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see it right there, copied. So guys, now this is how you can be able to find and copy your OKX UID. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.